And it's time to see what's in the box. By the way, are we going to do it this way regularly?
Fuck no!
Okay, here's our first box. Atlas. This up. Little one. Oh, lots of stuff. Do we have a bag or something I can empty peanuts into? I don't like peanuts. Have a way of attaching themselves to me. Really a pain. I was cleaning up the other day and they were all over me. I got too much static electricity.
Static electricity in a lab. Not good!
Yeah. Okay, open this. Yes.
And it's an anti-static bag.
Yeah.
Pink is anti-static.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
We have, aha, this is an adapter for video
Amiga.
for the Amiga, which I don't have yet, but it's coming.
Yeah, saying the Amiga to
Yeah, this is Amiga to video to
VGA,
VGA, right?
so that you can use. So
Yeah.
that you can use a VGA monitor.
It's so you can use a modern VGA monitor for your Amiga. And I'm going to keep this in its box so that we don't lose it.
It's anti-static bag, so it doesn't
Yeah.
take damage.
Right. As you notice, no dolls today. And things at this point. We actually knew a business that was called Computer Repairs and Things. So I did dolls and things.
We haven't officially named the channel yet.
Oh, we haven't?
Nope.
Ha. Have to think about that.
I didn't want to rush ahead and do something that you were going to tell me to do something else.
Later. All right. Lots of newspaper.
I can sit over here because the mic will actually pick up properly from this side. Even though we didn't test this on sound checks. I'm pretty sure if it picks me up over there, it'll pick
We
me up.
have a Commodore
1541 Mark II.
1541 Mark II disk drive. And the books that goes with it. Yay. User's guide. Oh, and look at that. The disc.
The original operating.
Yeah, we are.
Trivia.
And discs.
Oh, trivia on this. Nice, they give us a shrink wrap box of discs. Trivia on the Commodore. The original 1541 Mark, the original 1541.
And power supply.
Yeah. The original 1541 had a, when it would hit air, it would knock, and that would cause it to come out of alignment. A lot of people felt that was commoners' planned obsolescence. Basically, you had to send these things in for repair. So most commoner users knew how to realign their disk drives. This is the updated Mark II that fixes that problem.
Yeah, believe me, I had to fight for this one. There were other bidders.
Also, they, as you can see here, the original 1541 had the power supply built in, which caused the heat from the power supply to actually bleed into the disk drive. And you know what happens to floppy disks when they get hot?
They melt.
Well, the magnetic stuff stops working. Yeah. So here's the power brick outside the computer, like the old 64, and it looks like it's a different plug. We did not have a Mark II. We had the original 1541 and a 1571.
Yep.
The 1571 had the power supply inside. So I'm a little surprised to see the 1541 Mark II with the supply outside. I didn't know they did that. But hey, I know why they did it. The 1571, by the way, the disk drive, the power supply was cooler, so it didn't matter. It ran cold, so it wasn't an issue.
Commodore for discs and stuff is the bag. And it came with boxes. I don't know why. It's supposed to be a big deal to have the boxes. So they sent me the boxes.
And they're crunched boxes. Not crunched anymore.
We can uncrunch. But that's, I guess you put your discs in these so they
Yeah.
keep, and then put them inside the bag. And now we need everything off the big box.
Let's just put this down here.
This
You
is
know,
why
this-
we're-
Hold it! Yeah, we'll just put these down here. I know this is directly off camera, but, whatever.
Careful.
Yeah, I know.
This is why we're over here. Big box. Big heavy box.
Big box.
I did not want to put it on the table. Now I'm not visible. Because,
You're visible, but that your head's not.
yeah. Not like it matters, we're more interested in what's in the box.
And just when I knocked I put the white box storage boxes away so you wouldn't knock them off the table, we can't use the table.
Yeah. But that's okay. This is just hopefully one time.
You can push the mic out of your way.
See what happens when the Amiga shows up. Do we need to do it?
You can push the mic out of your way if you need to.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this.
There used to be a commoner users group that would that would get together. I don't know how often, but it was at the water department, like right down the street from where we are right now.
It was once every month or 2 weeks or something.
Yeah.
peanuts. Stuff that's not static protected.
Yeah, these are not anti-static.
Think maybe, I don't know.
Stand up.
Yeah, we can put all the peanuts in that box, I guess. Right?
Yes, which was really my plan all along. Let's find the bag later.
Here's these guys. Ah, this is what I don't like.
And your phone is talking to you.
Yes. Well, K9 was talking to me.
That's your phone. The K9 for your on your.
More. Tag of the killer peanuts. There.
This lady has been picking up email from her PDA long before most people knew about smartphones. Palm 7
Yep.
had a good deal on it too. And then she went from her Palm 7 to the Palm i7.
Maybe I should use scissors on this. This stuff is not, they have wrapped it, which I appreciate because I like it to come to me all in
One piece.
these. But getting it open is something else.
Jump cut.
Where's the keyboard?
It's in front.
Where?
It's in front.
Oh, I
Looking
see it.
right at
I
it.
see it. I see it. Okay. No, it should have everything here.
Yeah, we seem to be missing the keyboard cable. Hold it. Stand it up on its end. On the end. Not leaning. Yeah, there you go. Pop the keyboard off.
This might take you.
Let go. Ah! Never mind. They put the keyboard, they put all the cables inside the drive bay.
Yeah.
False alarm! There it is. Yeah, that's where the discs are supposed to be. Oh, here, take this. I'm going to show this off. Okay. Now, this is called the Commodore SX. The Commodore 64 SX. The next unit was supposed to be the Commodore 64 DX. That would have 2 disk drives. Commodore never made the DX because people were waiting for the DX. Whoa! Isn't that special?
Everything's there. The clips are there. A lot of these get sold with the clips broken or missing. This one came intact. I paid more for it, but it was worth it to have everything working.
Yeah.
Or
Rather
at
than
least-
having to buy the parts separate.
Yeah. Now see if it works.
Can you move your food? There it is. See?
Okay, yeah. Was my concern, does the screen work? Yes, we're up, we're running.
Board that's, well, there's two of that. And there we go.
We're working. We're
Yeah.
happy. Yeah. Okay.
And now I look at the camera and I see that the Commodore screen is all whited out.
Yeah, it's hard to see it. You have to. That's why they used a different monitor to connect to it to show people that it was working when I bought it. This camera thing is hard.
There we go. Now you can see it. It's like a spammer. Hi.
So that's it, right? We are done for
Outro.
this. So, as always, get your own.